UTEP's Aerospace Center and Keck Center for 3D Innovation are advancing America's goals in aerospace and defense. Together, we are developing the talent, innovation, and infrastructure needed to protect our homes and take us beyond the stars. UTEP scientists and engineers are leading research and development projects for industry, NASA, the Department of Defense, Department of Energy, and more. Using robotics, cutting-edge hybrid manufacturing technology, and AI-driven materials science, we are accelerating breakthroughs for extreme environments and developing complex components that will enable satellites and spacecraft to fly longer and further into space. With expansive research experiences under their belt, UTEP students have gone on to impressive engineering careers at leading aerospace and defense organizations like Lockheed Martin, SpaceX, Blue Origin, Raytheon, Northrop Grumman, and Boeing. Our graduates enter the workforce with knowledge and hands-on experience in areas like 3D printed electronics and drones to next-generation hypersonic materials that could allow aircraft to achieve speeds previously unattainable. The future is being launched here. With the opening of the Advanced Manufacturing and Aerospace Center, we are making a giant leap forward for the El Paso region and our nation. Welcome to UTEP, where your next innovation awaits liftoff.